Today I'll show you how to change a ball hitch on a tractor. Same thing works if you have a car or truck with a bumper that has a slot or a hole for a hitch. Now, I already loosened mine off with a wrench because it's on a tractor, so it doesn't have to be that tight. It's just on a lawn tractor. But if you're hooking up to a car or a truck, anything on the road, instructions on here say it has to be 100 torque down to 160 foot-pounds. Now me, I'm just going to do it snug because this doesn't go on the road or very fast at all. After you take your old one out, put your new one in, and then get your lock washer as well that they come with, and you just put it on there like that. Until it's no longer able to tighten it by hand. Then get the old wrench on it. I'll probably have to put the camera down in a minute and hold the ball still. I'm only doing this again only a little bit past snug because it's just a lawn tractor. And that's not going anywhere. And I'm going to be selling this for $3,000. If anyone wants to buy that, really need the money for wheels and tires for the truck there. So if anyone wants to pay me $3,000, they get this nifty little hitch. Peace out.